Hi guys, Angela here and welcome to my video. Today I'm at the Habitat for Humanity store. It is a home supply resale store. I am in the mood for some DIYs and crafts, so I thought I would come here, check it out, buy some stuff, bring it home, and we can do some crafting together. So let's go check it out. So I am back in the car. I did buy a couple things. I have 2 DIY projects in mind for the stuff I bought. So let's go home and I'll tell you what I got. Is this thing on? Tap, 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 tap. Hey guys, so I am back home from the store and I found some stuff to make some really cool DIYs. I do have 2 projects in mind. The first project I'm gonna do is making some concrete planters, and I bought this Quikrete right here. I've looked up a couple tutorials, so I kind of think I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. And then the second project I have is painting these 2 nightstands I found. Found these over by a dumpster, but I use them as a bench in my house, but I want to paint them with kind of an ombre look. I'll insert a photo here of kind of what I'm talking about. I don't have a tutorial to go off of, so I'm just kind of doing my thing. And the colors I picked were, the top color is going to be this color here. It is, what is this color?
The color is Carsol Cream.
It's this one right here. That color right there. It's going to be on the top. And then going down, I have 2 options. I picked this one,
which is Long Valley Birch.
It's kind of a goldy, kind of brown color. Or I picked this one,
which is Inglewood Cliffs.
Inglewood Cliffs. All right, it's kind of more of a gray silver. And then the very bottom color I picked,
Deep Breath.
Deep Breath is this blue. So I'm hoping to get that painted. I'm gonna start by taking the handles off and then we'll get going. So this is what the nightstands look before. We're gonna paint. This one has a little bit of a missing piece, but I put pillows as a bench so you can't even tell when it's done. But here it is. Before.
Buttermilk.
Alright guys, so we finished painting the white, and then we're going to let that dry some, and then go in with the brown gold color, and then finish off with the blue on the bottom. So let's do that.
Welcome to Bob Ross. We're gonna make this happy deer. It's not gonna really be a deer, but still, I call it deer.
Ooh, that's a blue right there. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I was up late painting my nightstands last night. I'll show you guys what they look like after we do this project. We are moving on to the planters now. I've read some tutorials on this. So you mix, I think, 2 parts concrete to 1 part water, and then you put it in a container, and then you will put cooking oil on another container, which will be this one. And then you insert it inside, and then you let it dry. So we're gonna do that now. All right, let's get started. So we need to open this bad boy.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully it doesn't dry.
Alright, so we finished making our planters. Now we just gotta let them dry. Alright, so another day has passed by and we are still working on these DIYs. These planters seem to be dry, so we are gonna break these puppies open and see how they turned out.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
There we go. We have 3 out of 4 planters here. We're gonna set these up with the plants we bought and reveal these and the DIY nightstands that we did the other day. So we'll be right back. That's the reveal of the DIYs we've been working on the last couple days. My final thoughts were the nightstands didn't turn out like I wanted them to. I still want to practice that technique on some other furniture. And then the planters I really loved. I've seen some Pinterest posts and some DIYs of different things you can make with concrete. So you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more from us, and we'll see you later. Bye!